With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the given question. The given question says, state the metal generally common in the following alloys, bronze and solder, but not in brass. So, bronze, solder and brass are different example of alloys. Let's first write that which metal are present in these alloys. So, bronze contain copper and tin. Then brass contain copper and zinc, and the solder contains lead and tin. So in the question it is asked which metal is present in bronze and solder but not in brass. So in bronze and solder the common metal present is tin, which is not present in brass. Therefore the answer for this question will be tin. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.